What's up, guys? Today I want to show you a few tips on edging boards. Just a few things that I've learned while milling, and hopefully you can learn from that. And alright, let's get started. So here you can see I've got a log already squared up. I've got it cut into a cant. I'm going to make some 2x8s out of it. And I've got my cut off 1-inch boards here, and you can see they need a little bit of edging. So I'm just going to show you what I like to do when I'm edging boards. So first, you have to know about what you want your edged boards to be cut into, and then you can take your cant and you want to cut your cant down to just below the size of the boards you're going to be edging. So now I've got my cant cut down to 4 3/4, and I know that I want to edge my boards to about 5 inches. So now I'm ready to throw the boards up there. Alright, so now I've got the board set up against the cant, and so this is what I like to do. I like to leave a cant when I'm cutting. If I have any boards to edge, what I like to do is when I get down to below the height I know I want to cut the boards at, then I'll throw these boards on there that need to be edged and just edge them down, because you got a nice square solid cant to push these boards up against, and it just makes edging boards a lot easier. Alright, so sometimes you'll need to use your toe boards to raise the end up a little bit if the boards are tapered, but if they already have a little bit of an edge on them, that shouldn't be a problem. Okay guys, there you go. Tip for the day. And here's our finished product. 3 beautiful edged boards.